You want locally made, you want Hawaiian cultural product places, and you want to reach out because we have a unique aesthetic.
O ke kahu ana I ke hoi I na mea Hawai'i, keu aku I na puke Hawai'i, o ia ka maile mai e pa'u nui ana no ke kahi mau makahiki.
It was one of those things that always inspires me because there were very few living Hawaiian authors.
Aulu ia I ini a pela I ho'okumu ia I no o native books I ka makahiki umikumaiwa kanaiwa makalihi a mai ia manawa ai ke ia ua mohala mai no a komo aku I na ano ki ina like ole e laha aku ai ka leo o ka Hawai'i.
Now we have histories, we have novels, we have fiction, we have people telling us, expressing to us, sharing with us how we feel about living in this place as Hawaiians and also people of Hawaii.
O iai mea nui ke ia ano waihona puke, aia ma o aku o nā puke ke kahi.
Books aren't the only form. So what you learn from kupuna, what you learn from your children, what you learn from being on the land, what you learn from a practitioner, we have to broaden our concept of what learning is all about.
Komo mau ana naka, he kakao puke, he po'e pa'o ka ike Hawai'i alako, me nā mea hana no e au I ka hale ku ai nei.
This is just a place to come in and say, you know, we can make beautiful things again. We can share those beautiful things if we want to, and we can be who we are in our places. So, I say bring it on.
Ho'o mai kai aku ia oa e maile a ia he leo ho'oho no ke ia mau makahiki I wakalua hou e hiki mai ana. Ke aloha. O wau no ke ia o Amy Kalili no Sunrise ma Hawaii News Now. Aloha.